today we had a program we have wanted to sponsor for Sabha for the youth today. And the youth has to come to know that how the parliamentarians will be functioning in the parliament when they get elected. And the youth of today should be trained and should be given an opportunity to come into the political system and see that what is the best way the politics has got to be for our country tomorrow. As we are seeing in the parliament today, the model, what it has to function, it is not functioning in the same manner. And we are only talking about the politicians and the mistakes what they are conducting, but we are not correcting them. But today's youth, I think so, is the right stage that whenever we are training the youth today, and they will go back to the society and they will try to bring that whatever changes we the last generation we have got it. We will be making the youth today to generate themselves and equipped with whatever knowledge they require to behave. And if they come to the politics, if they get elected to the as any political party, how they have to behave in the assembly and parliament, they should know it. And even they will also try to elect the future leaders also, who will have a better behavior, how to behave in the parliament tomorrow. And today we have got lot of colleges and YMCA and our Harish, the trainer, who have come forward to learn something from the requirement that what they have to bring the change in the system for making a better society tomorrow. That this is the way the Indian politics should be, the Indian parliamentarian should be, and this is the way they have to behave in the parliament. And the youth has to teach to the generation which has gone to the parliament without any training. Political system is ruling us. Now we wanted to equip the trained system from the youth. We are going to promote them to the parliament tomorrow. And this is our goal. In reaching this goal, YMCA and Lions and Rotary, all of us coming together as a responsibility, along with several faculty from the legal fraternity and several students from law colleges and other degree colleges have come forward. They are participating and taking the training issued, given by all these program sponsors. And I think so they will not take it as an academics, this one. They will take it as a system of policy for the future life, so that they should not go away from the politics. That politics sari illa anta hogi helodu bittu hogangalla. You have to involve into the politics. Then only you can bring a change in the political system. Otherwise, it will become any other comment, any other critic, as people making it like a gossip. Let us not live in that gossip line. Let us go and involve with the people and bring the change. If our parliamentarian, whoever is elected and is not represented in the parliament tomorrow, if he is absent, for which the public is spending so much money, we can question them when they come back for the mandate. And in that way, I wanted to appeal to all the youth, whoever is there in our country, in our state, in our college systems, that please come forward, take up this issue as a burning issue, because it is going to concern your future and your children's future and all our future. Hence, don't leave it to the hands of untrained people who will rule us without any proper sense of belongingness. So they have to have the sense of belongingness. We have been chosen by the people. We have to work for the people.